this video, we're going to have a look to Picsart, which is a free software. Well, it's actually an app, a web app. If you use it on the web browser, you can use it on a web browser, or you can use it on your smartphone. And you can search it, Picsart, on Google, and you can access freely the service. So it's a completely free tool and app that can let you create photo editing projects and video editing as well. So you can work with marketing, social media, and you can also do it for entertainment rather than work, or you can create some projects starting from presets. Now you can see there are different offers, and there is also a totally free offer which doesn't have all the tool but can be used to create some fast and simple project. So I'm gonna go in the Play Store here in my smartphone to get the version in the smartphone. So I'm gonna search for the Picsart app. So I'm just doing a simple search, and here you can just download it and then install it. So if you click on the green button, as usual, as you do in the Play Store, you can just use it then later when it's ready. So if you're interested in the channel, you will find also courses in similar services like Canva or Picsart or also GIMP. So look for them in the channel. So right now you can see it's already downloaded. So I can open it up with the green button, and it's gonna open up and ask you to access via Gmail or Facebook, or you can create an account using an email and a password. Now in this case, I'm just gonna use Facebook just to be quick on this. So I'm gonna just continue. Is asking me to access the data from my Facebook profile, and there it is. Now I'm in, and you can see now this is kind of an advertisement for the most advanced features. So I'm just gonna skip this. Just click on the X on the top, and this could probably, okay, there we go. So this is Picsart right here, and it's giving us welcome, and is asking me already if I want to do something specific, which I don't really want to do right now. It's just a preview guide, and probably in the future we will make more specific guides and perhaps a course. So I'm just gonna go forward, and it's asking me now to access my library of pictures that I have in my camera, my photos in my smartphone. And there you go. Now this is just, simple pages that you can explore. And if you go all the way to the right, you will find templates if you want to start with something that is already preset. So you just need to modify the text, the image, the background, so you can customize the digital artwork however you want. And just go there and have a look to all these different proposals, or these different options and variants that you have. So just start to explore Picsart, and this will be it. This is just, again, a short introductory video guide, an introduction to Picsart. If you're interested, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more, and also join the channel if you want to support us a little bit. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.